This is how to make your writing lean. You've heard people use filler phrases when they talk. Well, really, like. Are you guilty of using filler phrases in your writing? I heard about a writer who set the goal of removing one unnecessary word from each paragraph of her book. At last count, she had removed 14,000 words from a 400-page manuscript. You too can edit your way to slimmer, trimmer writing. I'm Pat Iyer. I've written or edited over 800 chapters, books, online courses, articles, or case studies, and I've written thousands of blogs. Here are 3 ways to trim your writing. Number 1, do you ever write, "I honestly believe"? To be honest with you, to be truthful. Is it possible to dishonestly believe? It is, but it's called fooling yourself. Not only are the above phrases unnecessary, they can have negative implications. To be honest with you implies that you're not always honest. When you insist on your honesty, people will suspect you. It implies that honesty is a choice rather than a habit. Second point is unnecessary verification. Do you write these words? Of course. The matter of fact is, as a matter of fact. Will you mail the package for me? Of course I will, you say in response. Use of this phrase implies, how can you doubt me? Paradoxically, it may make your reliability questionable. The fact of the matter is, this is one of the clunkiest and meaningless phrases ever devised. When I see it in writing, I imagine it delivered in an aggressive tone, which is an unpleasant association. Delete it whenever you see it. As a matter of fact, also qualifies as a useless phrase and also has aggressive overtones. The third way to tighten your writing is to delete meaningless phrases like "at the end of the day," "when all is said and done," "each and every one." Eliminate these award-winning phrases in the category of most meaningless, which is a redundant phrase from your writing. Get tips to polish your writing by buying my new book, 52 Writing Tips, Fast and Easy Ways to Polish Your Writing. You'll find it in my web store at patiyer.com. That's PATIYER.com.